Okay, so today we are doing a 3-week update. Oh no! Are you hungry? I only just fed you in the last video and then you did a big poo. Let's see if I can wind you and see if that helps for a minute, and then we'll feed you again. So yeah, we are 3 weeks old today. I cannot believe it. I can't wait to share my birth story. So I'll be on Channel Mum's Instagram on Friday the 1st of November. And yeah, we're going to tell our birth story. It's going to be exciting. And then I've got a video going live on my channel on the 3rd of November. So where do we begin? How have we been getting on? Have we been sleeping? So every 2 hours I wake her up during the day, and then she nurses for around sort of 15 minutes. She's a really good nurser. She is a lot more efficient than the boys, definitely. And I'm not... Are you smiling? Are you smiling? That was lovely. Good job. So she's actually now smiling as well, which is unbelievable. I can't believe it. But it's so rewarding when the 1 o'clock feed comes and she's like, hi. It's so cute. Yeah. You love listening to Mummy and Daddy's voice, don't you? She's got such a wobble bobble head. I forget like how floppy they are when they're first born. You pull the funniest little faces, honestly. So yeah, everyone wants to know always about like how newborns sleep and how's your newborn sleeping and how, you know, their tummies are so tiny they've got to have milk like all the time. All the time. Would you like some now? I think so. Oh, hang on, I can hear some wind. Good job. Well done. That's better for you. That's better for you. So yeah, she'll go every 2 hours during the day, and then at night it kind of goes a little bit longer. So night times can vary. Normally she'll go down at about 9 or 10, wake up at 1, and then again at about 5, and then again at about 7:30. If she's like extra hungry or if she's going through a growth spurt, those times will be slightly shortened. So it'll be like 10, 12, 3, 5, and then 8, for example. We just sort of go with what you want, don't we? Yeah. We just give you lots of milk and help you grow. In myself, I feel good. I am still on the antidepressant tablets, which I think helps a lot. It kind of like takes away like the anger and takes away the anxiety and things like that. So I'm a lot more relaxed. Really hoping that she doesn't get eczema, because I know Charlie really struggled with it when he was baby. But he'd actually got it by now, and we were having to use like steroid creams and stuff on him, and it was really tough. I don't think she has it at the moment. She's just got this like thin, dry, peely skin that's like coming off, especially on her fingers where she had the splints put on when she had her little stint in NICU, and they had to like bandage her hands and everything. Oh, well, I did offer you milks, but then you didn't want it. Have you changed your minds? The boys are doing really well with her. Charlie's coming around a lot more to being like kissing and like stroking her hair and things, which is nice. We take the boys for lots of walks with the bikes because it's good to just like release their energy into the world. We still don't know what colour your eyes are going to be, do we? They haven't changed yet. We are currently on half term, which means the kids are not at school at the moment, and I had my first day with the kids by myself, and we had a doctor's appointment first thing in the morning at about 10:10, and this one did 2 poos in the doctor's surgery, so I had to change her on my lap, and there was like yellow poo everywhere, and I was like, no, I'm not getting stressed, this is just funny and we're just gonna laugh. And it was quite bad, but my doctor sorted out like my suppositories and my creams and things like that for my fissure, because obviously I've still got that issue going on like I had before when I was pregnant, and some Senna laxatives as well, which is really good. So yeah, bless you. Oh, bless you. Is that enough? Her sneezes are so funny. Sometimes she doesn't put her mouth together and she just goes, ah, ah, which is hilarious. But yeah, she is smiling, and it's really rewarding when I see that little smile. It's so sweet. You love Daddy, don't you? And you love Mummy. And you're very relaxed when you're not fussing. Yeah. I don't really know what else to update you guys on. I know she's about £7.10, so within the first 2 to 3 weeks in the UK, they like babies to go back up to their birth weight, if not more. And by the first week, she was already up to her birth weight and more, which was very good, wasn't it? Yes. So my breast milk's obviously doing something for her, which is good. What I tend to do is, when I'm feeling tired and she's down for a nap, I will also have a nap, normally about 45 minutes to an hour, and that's just enough then just to tide me over for the rest of the day. Sometimes when I put her down in her sleep next to me cot, she will just like fuss and be like looking around and wiggling and doing this and pretending she wants milk, and then as soon as I give her the milk, she just goes, puts her mouth around it and then falls asleep. So if I feel like she's already emptied this side, I will, like I'm doing now, offer her this side. Sometimes she'll take it, sometimes she won't, and she'll just shake her head like this and with her mouth open like and I know that she doesn't really want it, and then I will swaddle her back up and just give her a little rock, and then within 30 seconds to a minute, like she's gone, like she's fast asleep. So it's really interesting because when I had the other two boys, I couldn't really distinguish the difference between like hunger and tired and gassy, whereas with her, I feel that because I've already had 2 kids, I can kind of pick it up a little bit quicker. You would have thought I'd be able to pick it up with Charlie though, but anyway. There's quite a big age gap between my children, I guess, so just forget. So like I explained in my breastfeeding video, which actually I'm going to put up after this one so you won't have seen it yet, she does click. Don't know if you can hear it. Her latch isn't painful and I don't think she's tongue-tied, but I did put a post up on my Instagram about like newborns clicking at the breast, and everyone said that she may be tongue-tied. So we'll have a little check when I next see my health visitor. But at the moment, like, she's managing to drain the breast really well and she's latching on pain-free. And as for my postpartum bleeding, that is literally completely gone now. I have had a womb infection where I had like a horrible discharge, and it was like really offensive smelling as well. So if you guys ever get that after you've had a baby, please go see your doctor because that's not normal. And I was Googling it and I couldn't find anything, and I was like, you know what, this is not normal. And along with the mastitis, I then had some antibiotics and it cleared up both of them. So I'm feeling so much better now. But yeah, we are, at the moment, I haven't lost my cool. Everything's fine, like we're doing well. It's amazing actually what you can do on like a broken sleep. But then to be fair, I was already kind of used to it because I wasn't sleeping very well when I was pregnant, so we'll see. But yeah, I think that's everything, guys. If you do have any questions, please leave them down below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to me for free for more baby updates. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, ladies.